I like to build my own beds so that I can customize them. I also feel like I can always do it in a cheaper, more budget-friendly way. Not to mention, they're actually not that hard to build. I went ahead and built my headboard and footboard frames out of select pine 1x2s. This is for a full-size bed. So I made mine 82 inches tall. Each board across is 55 inches, but I'll put my whole tutorial and cut list below. I decided to make the inside piece of my footboard 25 inches high, and my headboard's gonna have a design to it, so it's not gonna have a board to go across the front. I left 2 inches for feet at the bottom, and I secured all of these boards with pocket hole screws, if you can see that, and a lot of wood glue. This is the easy part. Now we'll customize the headboards and the footboards, and I'll show you how to put the whole thing together. Since these boards are 3/4 of an inch thick, I set my pocket hole jig to 3/4 and 3/4. Before, with my 2x2s, I had it set to 1.5 and 1.5 for the sleeves.